Give me all.
I have to deal with Rabbi Hershey, then I have to deal with them. It's too long. I'm sorry.
Sorry to hear
Also,
that.
I'm sorry I missed you on Friday. I thought it was odd to like just like don't go to my first period. I don't know.
That's fine. I usually record it. I don't know if I recorded that one, but if I did, I'll post it later. All right. So give me all the possible ways of flipping 3 coins, and I'll give you one for example. So if I flip the first, what's up? No, May 20th is their test. Trust me, you don't want to be May 20th today. So you flip the coin, you get heads or tails. So your first one could be like.
I don't understand how to wait, how.
Okay, pay attention then. So we flip the coin. The first one you get is heads. The second one you get is heads. And the third one you get is heads.
You know what I
Now,
don't get probabilities.
probability is weird because a lot of people,
That's
it's-
something I don't want to do.
sadly, we will do. But you flip the coin, heads, heads, heads. That's that's a possible order of this. So,
Yes, this whole week.
for the whole week?
Yeah.
All right, make sure you put on your mask when I tell you that.
Okay.
All right,
So I'm not, if you're yet, you're not going to, no.
okay. So heads, heads, heads.
We are the
Oh, wait, this is sound familiar,
Oh my
but no,
God.
okay.
Yeah, hi. Wait, I'm actually.
I'm lunch detention for a week for taking off my mask for chapstick.
Well, you
You know
didn't
what?
put it
You're
back
never
on.
allowed to put on chapstick ever again. You're never allowed to have a sip of water. You're never allowed to eat another.
That's fine. Yeah. Yeah,
Like,
I would always have let you done that.
Everything I did, like when I got Avery, I got painted. She wouldn't even go outside. And, like,
Yo, shut up. I literally just put people out of the mask.
It's true. She didn't go outside. This boy is a whole big one girl to her. She doesn't fucking walk out the door. That's true. And then Avery comes to get this for her too.
Shut up.
No.
Shut
That
up.
was for next week.
All right.
Yeah.
For the guys who came in, you're putting in. You're putting, Ella, you're putting in all the possible ways you could flip 3 coins. I'm gonna tell you ahead of time. There's 8 possible ways, and this is one of them. Like heads, heads, heads. That could be an order of how you get that. And I'm telling you, there's 8 ahead of time, so you don't have to keep going or keep checking. So try to get all of them down. One of them is heads, heads, heads. You can figure heads, tails, heads is or something like that.
You feel a little later than one.
I know. But I need to give you one so you understand what you're doing.
no, I still don't get it.
Well, you too.
You can't understand this, Mariah, you're saying.
Yeah.
You can't tell me what, you flip a coin, tell me, what is it?
I don't know.
Just tell me, just give
Neither
me,
can get to the house.
sure. Whoop. What did it land? Tails. Okay, I flipped another one. Okay, cool. I flipped another one. That's one of them. There's 8 in total, 8 patterns. Please find all 8 patterns.
That's insane.
Calm down, that's not a same. That's simply,
You're really telling me all the test. I'm gonna break down.
Yeah.
no, I'm telling you, this is the introduction to the concept. But I need you to do this so you understand the concept when I explain it.
Test not gonna be ready in the 8th
No,
grade.
wait, no,
Probably not, but that is an easy question. So you're going to write, oh, this is different. This is why I have to make sure it's different. What you're thinking of is a combination, which we did. This is gonna be a different situation. Oh, what's up? I don't have one of you. See, not how
I
many.
need to go home.
I actually just got, I restocked my pencils.
There you go. Whoop. Oh. It was for Ella, not Carmilla.
Thank you.
No problem.
I used to find out Camilla, she's doing you.
What's up, Carmilla? Okay. 8. There should be 8 in total. Does anyone Zoom? And I know, is Alyssa here today?
Yeah.
She's not physically here? Oh, okay. Oh, you should.
Oh my god, this is dyslexic.
Oh, yeah. I have to find it. It's already great. I plus 4. What's up? It is on plus 4.
Wish I could leave school and come back. Oh, yeah.
When did you check it out?
What?
There's no way to read till like on Thursday.
I have an easy way of tracking ones you want to go.
How you do?
No,
So there should be 4,
Mm-hmm.
so maybe do 4 in this slot of each. 1, 2, 3.
No, I can't.
in this slot.
Why would I do that?
in this spot. So now that I know that, I can say
I understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one.
Should be it? Okay.
So. Look at these, right? So since he already told you that they're
I'm so sorry, like,
we'll put each at the beginning for T.
I'm fat.
And then same thing with all the other colors. For T.
All right.
My brother.
Because I only see 2 people work. Hey, are you working on this? Okay, pay attention. I already gave enough time. I want to teach us. All right. So let's go through all of them. I'm going to start for the fresh. So let's say heads at heads, okay? And then let's say heads, but what changes this time? Tails. That's another one. Heads. This time I'm going to change tails. Heads. Heads. Tails. Tails. Now we'll start with tails. Head. Head. I'll explain the shortcut after. Tails.
Oh my God, I did.
Heads. Tails. 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 Heads.
Wait, you can reverse it? It can be the same?
Tails. I told you it has to be different orders. Tails. Tails.
I'm
And
so
tails.
confused.
Okay, so pay attention then if you don't want to write all this. Shh. So now I'm getting close to the kind of the concept. Let's talk about the first coin. So coin 1. What is the top possible possibilities? What could happen? H or T. So you have 2 possibilities. Let's talk about coin 2. What's the possibilities there? 2. And coin 3. What's the possibilities there? 2. Now we see we have 2, 2, 2. That means if I do 2 times 2 times 2, I'm going to get a total of 8. This is what's called the counting principle. If each, we did a concept of, or we did like an example of this, yeah. But we're going to do the full lesson of it. I only mentioned that. Mhm.
Like,
No, not the CP or anything like that.
no, sure.
Oh, yeah, we did do that.
I didn't.
We did an example of it. I'll do, this will be the full lesson. Okay. The counting principle is this. I'll type it up.
Myself when I was trying to open a thing of like cupcakes, but like the cupcake thing cut me like bad.
Why did you tell me that?
I gotta be because it hurts.
Okay.
So I was thinking about it. Look how big my cousin.
The counting principle is that you can multiply. There's no one on Zoom.
It's not so hot.
Your counting principle that you can multiply independent. I can't spell independent.
Why does it equal 8?
What's 2 times 2 times 3?
No, yeah, but like over C what?
Oh, coin 1, coin 2, coin 3. So I'm just saying coin 1 has 2 options, coin 2 has 2 options, coin 3 has 3 options. So it's 8. So the counting principle is that you can multiply independent events to get the total outcomes. 20, 10 days, next week, Thursday. Of this semester?
Yeah, well, that's my
Year.
Of the year, that's true too. Think so, yeah. Maybe I could put a quiz at best. All right. What? It's somewhere. I don't know where it is.
You don't find that?
It is where it is. It's somewhere. Mm. The counting principle is where you can multiply independent events to get the total outcome. So coin 1, whatever you get on coin 1 doesn't affect coin 2. That's what it means to be independent. Before, we talked about combination and permutation. For example, how many ways can you order the word Tobel, let's say, right? If you use a T, the next one, you can't use a T again.
Explain your last name. Huh? Because everyone says it differently.
Tobel would be in English.
I'm Tobel.
Tobel would be how you would say it in English typically, but Tobel is typically how you would say it in Spanish. But both are okay. I don't care what you call it.
Oh my god, that explains so much.
The counting principle is that you can multiply independent events to get the total outcomes, okay? Say that again? Yeah, yeah. That should be in the grade book. Okay, good. All right, so let's try another one. How many sides does a dice have?
6.
6. So, how many outcomes? What are the total outcomes for rolling one die? A single dice is a die, and 2 coins. So I roll a die and then I flip 2 coins. So how many combinations? I do not want you to find all the combinations. You do not need to write it down. Hold up. You're just telling me what is the amount of them. So you're just getting me the number. You do not need to find them all. Okay? Yeah, try away. So you have 1 die and 2 coins. There's 3 things in total, yeah. So you ask yourself, there's like 3 slots here, 3 spaces. You have die 1, coin 1, and coin 2. And you ask yourself, how many things could happen for each individual event? Oh, well, yes. Plug it in.
I don't understand. There's 6 on the die and then there's 2 on the coin.
Right. You know a dice, right? How many sides does a dice have? 6. So when I roll a die, what I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 possibilities. So I'm going to put 6 here. All right. How many sides does a coin have? A coin? 2. Right. Heads or tails. So I only could have 2 things to come out of that. So I'm going to put 2 coins here. And then coin 2. It's still a coin. So it still only has 2 options, right? Heads or tails. So I'm going to put 2 here. So what's 6 times 2 times 2, Mariah? That's how you get the answer. Good job over there.
I think it helps if I put 24 over T.
Over the total? Sure. I just don't want you to think this is fractions, okay? Just remember, I'm just kind of like putting spaces in what they are. You can put it above if you really want to. All right. Another example, a little bit more different. I'll use the example we used before. Nate, how many shoes you got?
You're so cute.
What's up? Yeah, how many pairs of shoes?
Now you're having that post.
20 be okay?
Not ugly, just post.
You have 20 shoes. Sheva, how many shirts you have?
A lot.
What do you say, 15? 25?
I don't know.
Just throw a number.
We'll go with like 49.
All right, 49 shirts. And then what is the pants, I guess? Ben, how many pants you got? 17, there we go. How many outfits can you make? It is a lot, but we can find the exact number.
Oh, why are you crying over that?
Shall I put this on the? So what's the cutting class? What is this? Isn't she not physically here in school? Oh, when you say she's not here, I thought she. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. All right, 20 shoes. Put in my shirt. That's fine. Deciding it up.
I think I will talk about it.
Yeah, go ahead. I would need a calculator. Times.
You have that.
So you have 20 shoes. You have 49 shirts. You got 17 pants. I don't know how. He's literally just take the numbers and multiply. And what was the number again? Because I don't have my calculator.
1660.
1660.
There's another 50.
60. So outfits. Okay.
On the bottom, it's just different.
It doesn't matter the bottom. I'm just drawing a picture to be funny, but you can just write shoes, shirt, and pants. What's up? They're not fractions. They're just labels. These are the shoes. These are the shirts. These are the pants.
That's why I was confused.
Okay.
So they triple to the like what the hell?
I got you. I got you. We'll see. I want to find the other thing. Oh, I guess I should say this. This total number is called the sample space. So sample space is just all the possible outcomes combined. So this is called the sample space. I should have mentioned that. So 16,660 is the sample space. You could do it with a number, or you could do it with a picture. Like we had the heads, and all that. All 8 of those lines would be considered the sample space also. So let's talk about how do we identify sample space. So let's say example, a pizza shop offers the toppings. Haley, what's your favorite topping on pizza?
Wait, I'm not in the right anymore, but like I'll do the problems, I just won't break them down.
So pineapple,
Okay.
sure. Pineapple. What else?
French fries.
French fries. What else? What else is on pizza? Peas? Did somebody say? So- Peas. Eggplant.
These are good. Like individual.
Broccoli. What else do you want? All right, let's just garlic.
So he's always like,
I always see macaroni.
Macaroni.
not Canadian pizza.
I'm not.
I'm for sure.
All right. So either way, let's just go here. So we got a bunch of, this is the most disgusting pizza, but there's offers if you put it all together. Pineapple, French fries, peas, eggplant, garlic, macaroni.
People actually pineapple next to it. It's so much
Why sick? That should not give you anxiety.
It's like Diane.
You need to work on that. Okay.
I'm already messed up.
So if I ask, this is the question actually. The question is, what is the sample space
French fries or the bread?
of the toppings? So this is gonna sound really redundant. You're gonna be like, this is overly easy, but the first one is always super easy. So what are the possible toppings that could be on this pizza? We do it by showing, first off, every sample space has brackets. So it has this like curly bracket thing over here. Okay. And then we list everything that could be on this pizza. So pineapple, French fries, peas. This is really redundant. But I'll show you another example where it's not so redundant.
French like,
Eggplant. French fry. Give me a sec. And macaroni.
Never understood why they call it that. In every other country, it's like chips. Like in.
Britain?
Britain, it's also chips, and Israel, it's chips. and-
But I think in this side of the hemisphere is French fry.
Like if you go to England and you say like, I will have French fries, you'll get so.
I think it's bothersome. All right, so that's really simple. All the toppings, no duh. But I could ask a different question. For example, what is the sample space of toppings?
Wait, is the sample space something new?
Yeah.
No, that's the total.
Right?
What is the sample space of toppings that are vegetables?
Wait, sample space, like the topic, is something new?
The sample space, they're related, but it's something different.
And you told me I don't have to write this?
But you said, I'm not gonna write this. I'm
And then
like,
I don't feel like writing anymore. I thought we were just doing more examples.
okay.
Are you gonna finish my long gun comments?
What's up? You know what? I think on the food pyramid, we're not going as a vegetable.
But it's just a fried potato.
It's literally potato.
It's a
Uh,
fried potato. If you bake a potato, what is it? Is it not a vegetable anymore?
It's like, there's like. No, it's not baked rice potato.
It's still a potato. All you
Yeah, but
did
it's a baked
was
potato.
add, all you did was add oil and salt. It's still a potato.
Also, it's not, you're not really just adding oil, you're deep frying it.
but nobody goes to you don't go to the vegetable section in the grocery and find, oh, potatoes, and then there's French fries next to it.
Right.
Well, yeah, because French fries, you find frozen French fries, so that'd be in the freezer, not with a potato. But when you make French fries, you put potatoes, don't you?
Okay, fine. We'll put potatoes. We'll count French fries as a vegetable. Is pineapple a vegetable? No, it's a fruit. French fry. Is peas a vegetable?
Yes.
Is eggplant a vegetable?
Yeah.
I'm just making sure. Is garlic a vegetable?
I don't know.
Is it?
Yes, it
Like
is.
probably, yeah, because I think it grows from the ground or something, but like garlic is a.
Macaroni? No, no, vegetable.
That's weird.
Okay, so you notice the sample space changes depending on what I'm asking. So this is called a conditional. Like I'm not gonna, that's not a definition, but this is vegetables. So now it's not everything, it's just the things that are toppings that are vegetables. I can't just put in vegetables that aren't here, like tomatoes or something. Oh, my bad. It's a plant of eggs, that's what it is. I put the egg in the dirt. All right, so let's see. So those are sample spaces. It's actually literally all the things that can happen based off your description. No, I'm just talking about finding them. We'll combine the two concepts soon in an example, okay?
Pizza, omelet, and toppings.
So how do we calculate this? Is it topping one?
Yeah.
No. You'll see calculations soon. Let me do it for you.
And what?
Yeah, nine. Should I say what? Avery.
4 p.m.
Avery, did you guys think if they called him?
What do you call when you go to the doctor's? Is an appointment.
Great with your name. What?
Appointments filled with an N.
Look.
I'll let Google take care of me. I'll let the computer teach me. No point. No, it just makes me. It just does the job for me. Only.
This one guy called the restaurant and forgot what the word reservation, so he just said, can I get a food appointment?
Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.
Wait.
Yeah.
So for the first one. What's the answer? How do I do the first one? Hold on.
Oh, sure. Give me some. I'm about to. Okay. I wrote the question. All right. Shava. So the first question would be, give me the sample space of just the toppings, right? So it's just all the toppings. There's no real question to that, right? It's very simple. All right.
Yes.
The second question though, what is this episode of toppings that are vegetables? So I need to pick toppings. So I need it from my toppings that are vegetables. I can't add vegetables that are not toppings, and I can't add toppings that are not vegetables. Both have to be true. So for example, I can't put broccoli because it's not a topping, but I can't put pineapple because that's not a vegetable. So it only could be toppings that are vegetables. And you just, sample space is basically listing the things that are happening. The total amount of things that can happen. No problem. Oh my God, is there a drop? Oh, boy.
How did you know this?
It's almost 10 a.m. 500. Okay. Okay. So this one's slightly different. This one's slightly different. So a doctor's office offers a 2 p.m., 3 p.m., and 4 p.m. appointment. And the days are only Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That means I could go 2 p.m. on a Tuesday, or I could go 4 p.m. on a Sunday. That's combined. So this, guys, this has two questions to it. One, how many and what are they? So first we're going to solve what are they? So what is the sample space? So what are all the possible appointments you can have?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
But what are the times to?
2 p.m., 3 p.m. and 4 p.m.
You could get 9 because if you put it on when I ask you, that's fine. So
Question is unclear because it says at 2 p.m., 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. there's an appointment. But
only Sunday, Mondays, and Tuesdays.
so you would have to say Monday at 2, 3, and 4, and then Tuesday 2, 3, and 4, and Sunday 2, 3, and 4.
Perfect. So how do we write that even easier? So,
But I feel like also put that in the question.
but no, that's the answer. You literally just said the answer. So this is the possible days. First of all, let's talk about Sunday because Sunday happens first in the week. So Sunday, what time can I go on Sunday?
Oh, 2, 3, and 4.
Good. So I'll put S2.
For Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it's the same thing.
Yeah, Sunday at 2, Sunday at 3, and Sunday at 4. Now let's go Monday. Guys, stop talking. Next one is Monday. Monday, I could get it at 2. Tuesday, or I'm sorry, Monday, I could get it at 3. And Monday, I could get it at 4. Mariah, you want to finish it off? What's the last 3 things I could do?
Monday, and then.
Good. Perfect.
Sit down right now.
So here is the sample space. These are all the possible times that could happen. Shava. So this is all the possible times that can happen in sample space. Now, to get the total, you can either just count this, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wow.
Or you can use the counting principle. What's the different times I could pick?
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, and 4. So in total, I have 3 different times.
So you have Sunday, so you have
And how many days can I pick?
3.
So what's 3 times 3?
9.
That's why I have 9 total appointments. Yeah, but I don't think if I gave you the problems before I taught it to you, anyone will get this. So what's up? What's the French fry one?
What's that?
No, I'm just teaching you what a sample space is, which is a list of things that are in the category.
Look.
Shava, stop taking selfies. I'll write you up. I'm getting annoyed. Now, next one.
Oh, it was for Carmela, not for you, I promise. Not for you, you said.
I didn't think about that until now, so stop. Okay,
Are we done? Think about missing credit card.
no. Wait, what? Sorry to hear that.
What?
We're not done.
I'm missing a credit card.
No, you're not.
That sounds like.
That was really hard. Really hard.
The
Digit?
digit
A year. Oh, a year? Oh, then you're 18. Yeah. Wait, what? A one digit.
prime number.
He's telling you go around showing the other devices.
Seven, that's a prime number. But they don't take any picture, do they?
No.
Picture.
I really hope they do, bro.
Wait, it's only 7 and 3.
And one,
And five.
and five.
1 is not, 5 is, there's something else.
Three.
And 3, and
7, 3.
3, 5,
Five.
7. That's it.
That's it. 0.
What?
2.
2, the only even prime number, which is 2.
See
Okay, here, you can see
Hmm.
from.
Give me a second. All right. Shh. All right, write this down so I can go over it. I press a button on the computer that gives me a 1-digit prime number. We already talked about this with the people in front. What? So the prime numbers, by the way, they're 1 digit. 2, 3, 5, 7. But what happens is I press the number twice, or I press the button twice. I should say button, not number.
Wait, I know when it's your birthday. Happy birthday.
So can you just give it squared?
But squared would get you what though? It won't give you everything. It'll give you the total.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is the total? You can tell me already?
So.
Look at your mom.
I don't like this one. Two squared.
I am mother.
I got to type this one.
I am mother.
Okay, so you're doing, wait, let me just write this back out.
No. You're not doing 2 squared, 3 squared. How many choices do you have? Out of-
For total.
Yeah, so just tell me, the first one you choose, how many things can happen?
Oh my gosh.
Let's count how many things you have.
Carl, do you only spell
Just-
like a name
So,
with an E so she doesn't feel left out? You know, it's that-
guys, so let's do an example. All right, that's another period. You'll have homework. I'll post it later.